whole purpose. Today what we're going to do is just this really dynamic contemporary pole phrase. It's on static pole. Make sure you've got water because it gets quite busy quite fast, and yeah, make sure you're fully warm as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start. I'll act as if I'm in front of you as the teacher, so my back will be against you for a little bit, but it's easier way for you to pick up the movement. So I'm going to have my right hand on the pole just like this, so it's in a cup grip facing backwards, and then from there I'm just going to lower my body down just like this. So that's your starting position. Then from there I'm going to put my left hand just in front of my knees, and I'm going to shoot my legs out to the other side of the pole. So there, so you're upright, hand down, to slide. So it helps if you're on floor and if you've got socks on as well. Straight away from there, this hand's there, so you've gone out as far as you can. The pole's actually in my armpit right now, so that's how high up you want it. Then from there you just kind of melt into the pole, put the left hand on the pole, open out, and you're going to take a shoulder roll over the right shoulder. Okay, so tucking the knees through, shoulder roll, shoulder roll, shoulder roll. Then from there, this left hand, I'll just show you, so I've come out like this, the left hand rotates, holds on, and as you're doing that, you lift up and you kind of like collapse in your chest as the leg goes back, and then the leg comes through. This is the left leg still, the left leg comes through, right leg comes through, and then straight, so you're pushing into this big arch, then straight away this left leg is going to come over to join the right hand. There. Okay, let's go back a little bit. So we have starting position. Okay, this is your starting position. I mean, you could start with it off as well, and then yeah, let's start with it off actually. So we've got off, hand, head, hand, shoot, collapse, open, tuck, over, hand, like little collapse, step, step. So to ripple through the body, up, left leg, then the right leg's going to come in to join, well not join, but come to the outside of the right hand, to there. And then what I'm going to do, got to make sure you're a bit comfortable in handstands if you're going to do this. So I'm in this position, in line with the pole. I want to reach my hands past the pole and in front, and I'm trying to get the outside of the back of the right knee on the pole. So I'll show you what that looks like. So we're there, hands on, off. So it's just a little on, off. Let's go back a little bit. We'll go up to there for now. So from the top, hand, oh no, we're not having the hand anymore. So we're just resting into the balls of our feet. And we've got hand, head, hand, shoot, pull in, open, tuck back, lift, collapse through, step, step, over, leg, jump, off. And that's all we've got up to so far. There we have the right hand comes onto the pole, and then straight away this left hand goes up, 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 like you're climbing a big rope or a branch or something like that. So we've got, you've got your little jump on, jump off, catch, hand, hand, drop. So you drop all the way down. I'll just turn the facing so you can see where I'm landing with the hand. So if I was facing the other way. So we've got there, up, up. So stretch all the way up to show the difference. To drop down, kick the right leg over, step, and then rotate this hand as if you're going to walk away. But then this arm stops you, your right arm stops you. So you turn back on yourself, put the left hand up, step with the left leg, lift. And it doesn't have to be very tidy or anything like that. It can just be throw it all about, and that works quite well. Let's go from the little jump. So we've got come around with the left leg, right leg, legs off, hand, 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 drop, lift, up, walk away. I'm just going to change my facing, otherwise I'll kick the wall. So I'm going to come back that way, and then a step in, step lift, to swing. We'll just go on a little bit, and then we'll try it all together. So after the land, so you're trying to get your feet to join together in the air and almost reach forward for someone. So we've got there, so you land, the right leg stops you, and then I'm going to go around the outside of the left foot to land on the left knee, obviously pulling in that top arm because you don't want to damage the legs. Down to there, and I try and find the pole with the back of the right knee. So hook on, go down to the right forearm, kick like a flick the leg, close it in, and then I'm going to push away from the back of the knees into you. Straight away to sit up. And then I'm going to take another shoulder roll on the outside of the left pole, the left side of the pole, over the right shoulder. So opposite shoulder than before, I think. Yeah. And then we're nearly finished. So let's take that roll now. So we've got over, straight legs this time, back. Let's just pull into there, and we can use that as the end of that phrase. So let's go back. Let's go back from the beginning. Now that you've kind of got the movement a little bit, I'm going to go from my original facing, just because I've got more space, and I think it's good for you to see how the space should be used exactly. So obviously just rewind if you need to. So I'm resting down, and I've got hand, okay, so there you go. I know I'm too far away. I think that's why I originally put the hand on, just to measure the distance, but we know it's there now. So we've got there, hand, head, hand, shoot, pull, open, shoulder roll, lift, rotate the leg, over, hand, leg, jump, off, hand, 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 drop, lift, through, pull away, step, lift, step, step, down, flick the leg, close, open, back, woo. And in, and then you've got it. So obviously be careful of hitting yourself in the pole like I just have. Go through it a few times, and then just try and put your own little dynamic and swing on it. I'll go through it one more time, and then with music. So learn from what we did last time, maybe start, just put the hand on, just to measure your position in relation to the pole. Hand on, then drop, then hand off. Just so you know, it's going to go, right? Because you don't want to miss it. But that could be a nice choreography in itself, hey? Okay, and breath in. Hand, head, hand. Shoot through, legs, open. Over the shoulder, leg. Lift through the hips, drop, leg. Little handstand, drop, hand, 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 drop. Right leg, pull it through, pull away. Left, left foot, right knee hooks. Kick the left leg, close in, push. Make sure you don't hit the pole. Over, in. Whew, how's the breath now? Told you you'd need water. So that is the phrase for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you learned it. Let me know if there's a better way I could teach you.